When was the last time you looked at your website, your proposals, and your social media through your client's eyes? People buy from businesses they trust, and trust online comes from photos and videos of real people, real work, and real customers, not fake purchase photos that you've bought off the internet. Most businesses we work with have been meaning to sort their photos and videos for a while. What they want is simple content they're proud to share that represents them properly and can build awareness, humanize their brand, position them above competitors, and generate sales. I'm Perry from Missing Link, a national award-winning marketing agency based in Tuggerah here on the Central Coast. We produce photos and videos for businesses who want content they can actually use on their website, in their email newsletters, in their proposals, on their social media, and in their ads. We take a marketing first approach, which means we don't just rock up with a camera. We help you work out what content you need, where it will have the biggest impact, and how to get the most out of every shoot. From educational content to brand storytelling, service overviews, and client testimonials, we create content across the whole buyer journey. Good visual assets last years, so it's an investment that'll keep working for you long after the shoot day. And if getting in front of the camera feels uncomfortable, we'll make it easy. Take as many takes, we'll take as many takes as we need and bring out the best in you. One Central Coast example, Valletta Homes. We produced videos and ads that humanized their brand, and the feedback from their team, current clients, and new leads has been incredible. And it worked because we took the time to understand their business, their target audience, their team, what makes them different, and why that matters to their target audience. So get in touch and book a complimentary pre-production planning session. We'll work out exactly what content you need and where it will make the biggest difference in your goals.